15 years, there was nothing left.
Children or a passion killer.
Yes, yes, children. 19-year-old, yeah.
Between the kids, the routine, the house, bills, life.
Where do you find yourself on the passion scale on 1 to 10? What would you say?
Tired, I just want to sleep and
I'm too young to be this old.
yeah.
What do you say? Okay then.
I'm probably in about 6 or 7 right now.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I would say the same, just because I work days and he works nights.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Just too much stress.
That sounds about right.
Often by the time night hits, we don't have the energy. So we need to utilize the daytime hours, and we try really hard at doing that. Especially on the weekends, we try
That's
hard
so cool.
for daytime.
Yeah, we're both so busy, so we just use whatever we can.
1 to 10? 2?
4.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so listen, it's
I'm trying to push it.
What would you love to see or experience with each other? You know what, I'm going to give you an experience. Right? You're going to experience the passion experience, which is where Suzanne takes you away and she's going to help you get in touch with and juice up your feminine vibe. And I'm going to take you away and into the man cave for about 2 minutes, and I'll help you get in touch with your masculine vibe, and you come back and sparks are going to fly. You ready? Okay, come on up.
I don't.
Look at each
my
other.
problem is I don't know how.
Just go. Just go. Just go.
I don't know how. I don't know.
That was pretty awesome.
Very nice.
I have a beautiful man. He's amazing.
Come on over. Look at your friend.
Exceptional. Good is not a broad enough word.
È stato fantastico.
She's touching me in places she's not supposed to be touching me right now.
I'm hot, man. Holy.
I don't know what you did or what you said to her, but that was pretty intense.
It was intense, man. Wow. Yeah, I don't even know what to say.
I'm amazed. Just a couple minutes.
She's hot.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, what's up for you? I'm wet. It's time to go home.